Kristen has a Playhouse problem. She messaged me on social media and said, hey Jonathan, come fix it. So I've got my squad here, Playhouse professional Roma Lee, Chris, we've also got Phil from Whitestone. We're gonna fix all of her problems, get this Playhouse so it's converted to a she shed. This is the punch list on drewandjonathan.com.
Hi, I'm Kristen. I'm in Nashville, and this is my lovely Playhouse. This is my kids' Playhouse. They're now 16 and 13. They don't use it anymore. It's an eyesore. Right now, Jonathan, it just looks like a hot mess. It's worn down, it needs paint, it needs some love. I would love to use it again as a she shed maybe. And this is our barn. Obviously very dirty, very green. I think it is beyond a good paint job. It probably just needs a really good power washing. We don't own a power washer and we don't know how to use one. So it would be awesome if you guys could also help us out with our barn. I love your show. I know that you do great work. Please, please come help us fix our barn and get it clean again.
This is a little bit different because they're out back. It's the Playhouse that we're gonna fix and she can hear us. Well, hello there.
Oh my God.
I hear you have a problem.
We have a big problem.
You've got mildew and, oh, there's even a hole there.
And holes.
Don't kill me in your backyard. We should do the slow motion Baywatch run toward each other.
So fun.
How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
Oh my God, so well. This is great. I'm glad we were able.
Welcome.
This is such a beautiful spot.
Thank you.
And I see that you've got this amazing Playhouse here. Because I have a Playhouse expert on our Whitestone team here, I brought Roma Lee, we've got Chris, we've got Phil. We wanted to jump in and we wanted to help you clean it up, paint it. We're gonna even pressure wash everything.
Great, thank you so much.
What do you need help with?
So I would love to turn it into maybe a she shed, is what I'm thinking. Like, you know,
well, it's looking
grill it out a little.
looking a little dull from the outside. So this was for the kids? You built this as a Playhouse?
We did, and we had their toys. We just kind of threw their toys in and had them paint it, and they just loved it, you know, when they were little. They're older now, so.
You know what? They've been mooching off you too long anyway. You deserve to have your own space. Why don't we give it a little bit of style? Let's clean it up.
Let's do it.
Let's take a look.
Great.
Is it woodpeckers or is it
Bees, I think.
carpenter bees?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, these guys know.
Mostly I think it just needs a coat of paint. You got a little bit of algae. You relax. The four of us are going to jump in and we're going to whip this into shape right now.
Great.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks
All
so
right.
much.
Hang tight. You guys want to grab the pressure washer and the paint? See if I'm going to ruin a good shirt. Fastest shed makeover ever. It's time that they get a little bit selfish, take this back from the kids so she can use it as a she shed. So how does it feel? You've had this Playhouse, which you're now taking over as a she shed, but it's been sitting there slowly growing algae for 4 years, something like that?
Yes.
Your shed, I couldn't even tell what color it was because it was so bad. Now, everything's all cleaned up, you're good to go.
Yes, it is amazing. I mean, it's such a gift. I'm so just surprised and shocked and in awe. Thank you.
You're very
so,
welcome.
so grateful.
Well, you know what we are going to let you do because the shed looks fantastic, the Playhouse looks fantastic, but in case you ever get that algae buildup again,
Yes.
we're going to give you the pressure washer so you can keep that.
Stop! Are you serious?
Yeah. So if your husband gets out of control, you can spray him down. Or if you ever have anything grow again in the shed, you can spray down. It takes 2 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I even brought you a little something for your she shed.
Thank you.
This is so you can take on any projects that you need. You have all the tools that'll be perfect for you. Books, bobbleheads, things like that.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Thanks.
I
I'm
will
so grateful.
let you enjoy all the time in your new she shed. And if you guys ever have a problem around the house, punch this problem, hit us up on social media, and we might be showing up on your doorstep to fix your she shed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bam! We have she shed.